This is MyAssetFlow by Eyona Software Development. One dashboard shows your whole operation at a glance. Every asset, what is in service, your open issues, and the work in progress. It starts with your assets. Every item you own in one register with a photo, a condition, and a location. Open any asset for its details, its GPS position, and its place on the map. See them all together, every asset across your sites on one live map. When something needs attention, it becomes an issue. Each one prioritized, assigned, and tracked from open through to resolved. Out in the field, your team captures structured forms. Inspections and fault reports, filled in step by step, logged against the asset. The heart of it is the work order, a set of procedures, each one handed to the right person. Take this cooling tower bearing replacement, a high priority job. First the fault inspection, then the repair quotation, then parts approval, then sign off. Each step opens only once the one before it is done. And your storeroom stays under control. Every spare part with its stock level and unit of measure in one catalog. MyAssetFlow. Know what you own and run how you work. Find it at myassetflow.com.